Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Nissan Rogue SV. This one's blue. Underneath the hood is a 2.5 four-cylinder pushing out 175 horsepower and 170 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front LED daytime running lights. Cloth gray and black interior. Coming around back, we've got our Rogue SV all-wheel drive badging, a power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, keyless entry, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, a touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, USB and auxiliary port, automatic transmission, heated seats, cup holders. This Nissan Rogue has 48,732 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Nissan Rogue, check out feldmanimports.com.